Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In this short tutorial today, we shall be learning how to create your own personal template in Microsoft Excel. To get started, click on Excel to open it up. Then go to File, click on New. This will bring you to a place where you can make choice of creating your own personal template from the blank template here or from pre-made template made available by Microsoft Excel. Outside these two, when you take a look at the top left, you will notice that both the pre-made template and the blank template, they are under Office. Then we will have what is called personal. In your own Microsoft Excel, it may not appear. When you press on it, it has opened up to give me access to two personal budget templates that I have created. No one else can see this. It is fully based in this computer, though a template, yes, but it's based in this computer. When I click on it, it has opened up an Excel template that is for my personal use. So how can you go about creating a spreadsheet to be a personal template? To do this, you have to get a template online or from the pre-made template, or create one from the blank template for yourself. Here is a personal monthly budget template that I choose from one of the pre-made templates provided by Microsoft Excel. I made some changes to it to suit my desire, so I saved it to become my own personal template. So every month I make the necessary changes, and these changes will not affect any other workbook I have in Excel. Neither will there be any issue of overwriting or mistake of deleting any previous Excel data. To save this as a template in Excel, I come up to File. From here, I select Save As. Then I double click on this computer. It has opened up the document folder for me to save this Excel worksheet as a workbook. But for me, I want to save it as a template. So what do? I come down here where it says Excel workbook. I tap on it. Then I select Excel template. I make some changes. If you look at it, I already have two monthly templates there. And when you look up here, you see custom office template. So I type in personal budget template to differentiate it from the two I have before. I have personal monthly template and personal monthly budget template. This one is now personal budget template. Then I tap on save to have it saved in my Excel as a template. When we look up here, you will see it personal budget template. So having opened up my personal budget here, you will notice that everything is still blank. I can then put in some amount for the budget. Change the name of the budget to personal monthly budget for March. I have made the changes to the budget as it suits my desire for the month of March. In this method, there will be no need to open up any other previous monthly budget to make these changes. So there will be no issue of overwriting. It is a time saver and it gives you less work to do. So let's say I am through with the changes I want to make in this my personal budget. I come up to File again, select Save As. Then I can choose where I want to save this document. Let's say I want to save it on desktop. I now remove personal budget template. I can now put personal budget for March. Then I press save. If I am to close this template and open it new, if we are to come to personal, this is the one we just created. We tap on it to open up. Remember, the one we just saved last, we save it as a workbook, not as a template anymore. Let's say next time I want to open up my Excel to make some changes. We are now in the month of April. I come up to personal, I tap on it to open up. It has opened up. You can see the tray here. This is the one we just created. I tap on it to open up. It has opened up and it is blank as usual, not being affected by the changes we made on it in the month of March. From here, we can continue to make our changes for the month of April. You can use this style to create any recurring reports that you are using Excel to generate, be it monthly, quarterly, or yearly reports. These are reports that you don't want to have issues of deleting data in the previous workbook so as to create new one, and to make your work easier, safer, and faster, saving you time. You use personal Excel template. I hope you enjoy watching this short video. If you did, please like the video. Consider subscribing to my channel. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. See you in the next video.